Hey there. First and foremost, I hope this message finds you well. And I do hope that you're having yourself a good day. And if not, I hope life affords you the opportunities to have a good day. And speaking of opportunities, I was presented with an opportunity to have a good or bad day this week. This week, while stopping at one of my big box stores, I found out that they just started selling Plumerias. Plumerias are significant to our wife and I because we were married on a sailboat 11 years ago, and once we said our vows, we were presented with fillets. Thus, you can probably understand my excitement when I saw that the big box store had started selling these. So, since my wife loves symmetry, I went ahead and picked up two. The Plumerias that I found are fairly tall, probably about maybe 36 inches in overall height. Yeah, I'm glad I'm repotting her. As I was bringing these two majestic beauties home, I was doing, as the kids would say, I was doing too much. At first I attempted to bring both Plumerias down the hill from my driveway over to my pool area, but I felt one starting to slip. So I had sense enough to go ahead and sit it down. I sat the one down and went back up the hill to go get the second one. That's when tragedy struck. Wind had caught hold to the leaves and completely took the Plumeria and knocked it to the ground. The fall had severed the Plumeria in 3 separate locations. So there goes my symmetry. And now in that instance, I was presented with an opportunity. Sure, I was frustrated at the moment, but do I get upset and proclaim this to be a bad day? Or do I take those broken stems and try to see if I can get them to root and turn one potential bad situation into an opportunity for greatness? See, every day presents us with those moments when we can either choose joy or despair. So our joy or pain really depends on how we react to said moments. But hey, that's just my opinion on the matter. I do hope that you have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys later.
And knowing is half the battle. G.I. Joe!